The ethanoic acid also reacts with carbonates and hydrogen carbonates. And just like mineral acids, they produce salt, carbon dioxide and water. So Na2CO3 plus CH3COOH, CH3COONA plus carbon dioxide plus water. In the case of hydrogen carbonates, the products are same, so no balancing is required. The third is action with alcohol. If in a test tube you take some ethanoic acid and ethyl alcohol and indirectly heat it in a water bath, you are in for a surprise, and that too a pleasant one, because it produces ester which has a very pleasant smell, and that is why it is used in perfumes. How this happens? CH3CH2OH, ethyl alcohol, plus CH3COOH. So what will it give us? It will give us ester plus water. Now because ester has a pleasant smell, it is used as flavoring agent in cooking and also for making perfumes. And this process is called esterification. For making soap also we use an acid, but that is a fatty acid which is a part of fat or oil. So when this fatty acid combines with sodium hydroxide, we get a sodium salt of fatty acid. It is this sodium salt of fatty acid which forms soap. Now soap is a very interesting molecule. Why? Because it has two ends, like this. This end is ionic or the sodium end, while this end is hydrocarbon end. This is hydrophobic and this is hydrophilic. What does that mean? This means it is friendly with water, while phobia is fear. This end is scared of water. So what will happen? Now when we use soap for cleaning our clothes, what happens is that this soap molecule, its one end is away from on the surface of water. So the tail end forms a circle like this. This is called micelle, and the dirt is captured in the center, or the grease or the oil, just like Chakravyuh. Remember how Abhimanyu got trapped in a Chakravyuh? That is how the dirt gets trapped in the soap molecules. Now the tail end will penetrate water, and so it will react with the grease, and now this dirt remains in the form of colloid in a solution, because ions of same charge repel each other. It does not precipitate. So very good, because when you wash clothes, the dirt never precipitates. In fact, it remains suspended in water. So when we rinse clothes in water, the soap or the soapy water and the dirt remains in water and the clean clothes come out.